In a village, there is one library, and the library, whether it's going to be open, it depends on whether it's raining or not raining. And we have probability of raining in the village is 0.2, and if it rains, the probability that the library will be open is 0.4. But if it does not rain, the probability that the library will be open is 0.9. We need to represent this on a probability tree diagram and use it to work out the number of days the library will be open over 60 days. Now, you have to understand that the library will be dependent on whether it's raining or not raining. So it's best to start with the option of raining and not raining. So we have option of raining. What's the probability of raining in the village? We have 0.2. Then what is the probability that it will not rain? The opposite is 0.8. Okay. Now we've been told that when it rains, the chance the library will be open is 0.4. So let's look at opening. It's 0.4 chance. What about not opening when it's raining? It will be the opposite of 0.4 because we need to make sure we add up to 1. That's 0.6. When it does not rain, we are on this line. The library will be open at a chance of 0.9. So opening is 0.9. What about not opened? Opposite of 0.9 to get 1 is 0.1. Now it's been labeling as well. Raining and opening. Raining, not opening. Not raining, opening. Not raining, not opening. Now we need to work out the probability that it will be opened within 60 days. First, we must know the probability of the library being opened. We have probability that it will be open, two options. Library being open when it's raining and library opening when it's not raining. So when it's raining and opening, we have 0.2 and 0.4. 0.2 times 0.4. Not raining and opening is 0.8 times 0.9. So in all, the chance of the library being opened is 0.8. So you have 0.8 chance the library will be open. Now, over 60 days, we need to multiply our probability by the number of days the library is expected to be open. That is similar to what we did before in relative frequency. So we multiply the probability that is going to be open by 60 days. And we have 48 days. So we expect the library to be opened in 48 days out of 60 days. That brings us to the end of our lesson 4 on probabilities tree diagram. Watch out for the last lesson on tree diagram without replacement and probability without using tree diagram. Thank you very much for watching. Share with your friends and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.